What's up guys, my name's Caleb. Welcome back to Impeccable Image Detailing. Today I have this 2022 Ford Bronco and it's in a beautiful green. It's actually called Eruption Green Metallic and we're gonna be doing a level 1 polish on it and ceramic coating. We're gonna ceramic coat all the paint, glass, trim, and then this customer also has a custom set of wheels, and once those arrive, he's gonna drop those off with me and we're gonna coat those inside and out. A few other things I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna be debadging this, and in place of that, we have a template. We're gonna put an old school blacked out Bronco emblem. And then towards the back, I'm gonna have to remove this. That way I can polish behind there, get this cleaned up and polished inside and out. And then here, this ugly dealership badge, we're gonna be debadging and removing that as well. So that's kind of some of the stuff we have be working on with this. I'll show you some of the defects here. There's a couple factory sanding marks. I don't know if you can see. Right here is one of them. This is the overall condition of the paint. It's really not too bad. So just our level 1 polish will clear that up and take care of that. And then we also have another factory sanding mark right, there we go, right here. So very, very minor. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. It almost has kind of a blue pearl to it in different, I guess, lighting and conditions. Here's the door. As you can see, just like the hood, very, very minor. All right, guys, that's a quick tour of the Bronco. And as you can see, it's really not too bad. One thing to note is absolutely freezing outside. It's around 20 degrees and there is snow everywhere. But inside my garage here is a nice, comfortable, warm 70 degrees. But without further ado, let's get started. All right guys, so the Bronco is completely polished and panel wiped, and now it's time to apply the ceramic coating. I'm actually going to be spraying this one on with my airbrush here, Everlasting Showstopper X or ESX. I'm just going to show you a few short clips. I'm not going to do the entire process because it's going to get boring, but this is going to add fantastic slickness and gloss and make it much easier to clean for the customer. right, the Bronco is now complete and looks absolutely amazing. And this color, like I said before, is just absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and I'll catch you on the next video.